Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the vertical fillet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 7 plus 3. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the next chain, and then 1 double crochet into the next chain. So that's 3 made so far. You're going to chain 2. You're going to skip 2 chains, and then into the next 5 chains, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So that's going to be 1, you're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 2 chains. Again, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. So that's 1, make 2 chains, 1, 2, skip 2 chains, work 1 double crochet into each of the last 3 chains in this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach this chain 2 space. So that's going to be 3 double crochet. So 1. You're going to make 2 chains to skip over this previous chain 2 space. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next chain 2 space. Make 2 chains to skip over this next chain 2 space. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next chain 2 space. Make 2 chains to skip over this last chain 2 space. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the remaining stitches. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the vertical fillet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.